Do you know these 3 thyroid killers? Still struggling to lose belly fat? Discover how women are using this 30-second thyroid technique to switch on their #1 fat-burning hormone and see a flat and firm belly in only 21 days without starving or long workouts. Did you know that studies from the American Thyroid Association show women are 5 to 8 times more likely to struggle with thyroid problems than men? 1. Combine that fact with the changes the female body goes through due to menopause, and it's clear to see why it's not uncommon for women over 40 to report feeling off. Picture the body just hitting the pause button as thyroid activity, metabolism and energy levels all plummet. A fat-storing, energy-draining combo called thyropause. You probably see frustrated women every day with thyroid symptoms. Struggling with weight gain, looking heavy and bloated with thinning hair. Slogging through each day with no energy, feeling fatigued and hot then cold or blue. Suffer with forgetfulness, brain fog, less sharp thinking and more senior without starving or insane workouts moments.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.
What's scary is, American Thyroid Association shows 60% of those with thyroid problems are unaware. These 3 thyroid killers reveal the things women must avoid if you want to banish fatigue, boost your energy and see a flat and firm belly in only 21 days. Thyroid killer number 1. Think all green veggies are healthy? Thyroid killer number 2. Did you know that certain healthy breakfast foods with labels like heart healthy, whole grains, no sugar added, gluten-free and even high-fiber bran-based cereals can plummet thyroid production, blocking your metabolism from burning flab? Thyroid killer number 3. You may believe that not avoiding hours of exercise each week is a good thing. However, nothing could be further from the truth. Believe it or not, new research proves that exhausting yourself with hours of exercises is the absolute worst thing women over 40 can do to burn belly fat. Now, what you're about to see below is the most important thyroid boosting tip of all. So keep reading and listen closely. Because there's a much simpler and easier way to burn belly fat and get the body you desire without wasting hours on exhaustive exercise that only makes you more hungry while craving all the sugary sweets the experts forbid you from ever eating. This is the proven yet little known technique that will allow you to jumpstart your thyroid. The wonderful thing about it is, it only takes about 30 seconds, and you can do it tonight before bed. Look, I get that this sounds too good to be true, and when you see it, you may think it also sounds too simple to work. Just be warned, without applying this one thyroid jumpstart technique, you can virtually forget about succeeding. It's not your fault you feel fatigued and are still struggling to flatten your belly. The truth has been virtually hidden from you and all other women on purpose. These 3 thyroid killers are the only reason you haven't experienced the flatter, more attractive midsection you desire. It's not because you're not pushing yourself hard enough. It's not because you don't want it bad enough. It's not because you lack willpower. It's simply because you haven't tried this one thyroid jumpstart technique yet. Once you see how simple this thyropause solution specifically for women is, you may also be surprised to learn. It takes very little time each night before bed and first thing in the morning, so even the busiest women can use it. It's easy to use so you avoid failure and feeling let down again. It skyrockets female thyroid activity for a flatter belly at any age. It fights fatigue, aches, and pains while boosting female energy levels naturally. It slows cellular aging for a more youthful feeling and attractive appearance.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,